Right. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر روحي وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدم الفداء. أما بعد، فقد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كتابه المجيد والفرقان الحميد: بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما. صدق الله العلي العظيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, hope everyone is well and everyone can hear me loud and clearly.
Yes, I'm well. Alhamdulillah.
Brilliant. Okay, good. So today's lesson, it's all going to be about the sixth lesson of the book. So I'm going to start the lesson, and also I want to find out from everyone, has everyone had a chance to revise any of it as well? Has anyone revised? Yes or no? You should be able to unmute yourself.
I haven't.
Okay, that's fine.
I haven't.
And what are you doing? Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to have a session during the, now everyone's off for half term, correct? Everyone's off.
I'm not.
You're not off.
No, I don't, because in Scotland we don't have, like, we're not off just now.
When are you off?
I'm pretty sure we the next holiday we have is the summer holidays, which is at the end of June.
Right, okay. So you have a longer summer holidays.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fair enough. Because I was planning to have a few more lessons extra, so but that's fine. Okay, let's get the book onto the screen. That's book 3. I'm not teaching book 3, I'm teaching book 2. So okay. Let's bring on. So we are on book 2, lesson number 6. Let's start. Right, so Reja, assalamu alaikum, good to see you. And inshallah we will revise quickly so that you don't miss anything from the lesson. So I'm going to ask Fazil to come on the mic.
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Let's go. Let's read the lesson now. What we had the last week or the following week before that. Ad-darsu sadisu, the 6th lesson.
The sixth lesson 6.
Yep, you see me, you're far away from the mic or from the phone.
Yes. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay. المدرس لمن هذه الأقلام يا محمد.
لمن هذه الأقلام يا محمد, correct?
Okay. Are these your pens? Oh,
No,
Muhammad?
liman is for whom.
Oh, for whom are these pens? Oh, Muhammad.
Yep.
Here liya ustad. These are for the teacher.
These, no, here li. It's li means for me.
Oh, these are for me, oh ustad, oh teacher.
Yes, correct.
هي جميلة جدا.
Yeah, جميلة جدا. Excellent, they are.
Here, I forgot what here means.
So what's happened now in the Arabic language, there's no word for it. So for example, when we're pointing towards object or talking about objects, we say it is nice or it is ugly or so forth. Now in the Arabic language, all plurals of the kalamun, is it plural or singular?
Plural.
So because it's plural, aklamun, we would use the singular feminine to refer to it as it.
Mhm.
So aklamun is referring back to the pens. It is for me, O teacher.
Okay.
Okay. So here is referring back to the pens because the pens are plural and they are non-living. So you use here referring to them.
Okay. هي جميلة هي جميلة جدا.
Mhm.
These are uh these
They
are
are, well, it is. They are very beautiful.
okay, yeah, they are very beautiful. وهذه الكتب الجديدة أهي لك.
Correct.
And these
Mhm.
yes, and these books,
Which books? Al-Kutub is books. Correct. Are the old books? Are the new books? The word here, al-jadidatu, is coming. What does that do?
that means it will be is and this book,
Yep. These books.
yes, and these books new?
Yeah. These are new books.
Oh, are these new books?
No. Are these new books for you? So ahiya al-kutub al-jadida ahiya laka. Are these new books for you?
Are these new books for you?
Sorry.
لا هي لا هي لي حامد.
Mhm. No, they are
These
for.
these are for Hamid.
Correct. Now I have a question. Now, Beanish, assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum salam.
Now over here it says وهذه الكتب الجديدة. Now explain to me why is it هذه الكتب الجديدة? We did this before. I just want to see if you remember. If not, then I'll try to recap it for you.
Because it's plural.
Al-kutubu is plural, yes. And why are we using هذه?
Because you can't really say this when you're talking about a plural. You should say you need to say these.
In English we say these, but why is it? Why can we not use هذا with هذه الكتب?
Oh, because it's feminine.
Correct, because al-kutubu is plural and it's non-living, so we would always use a singular feminine for hada. Hada is masculine, hadihi is for feminine. So
Yeah.
hada al-kutubu, and the adjective is also going to come in the singular feminine. Al-jadidatu. How do you know al-jadidatu is singular feminine?
Because it's got the timer boot at the end.
MashaAllah, very good. And the word al-kutub, is it plural or singular? Al-kutub.
Plural.
Excellent. So the reason why I asked you these questions is just to make yourself familiarize it and you're able to memorize it and you're able to absorb this information. So the book Al-Jadidatu is singular, feminine, and this is an adjective describing new. And Al-Kutubu is books. Okay? So
Okay.
Al-Kutubu Al-Jadidatu. So even though Kutub is plural, the adjective comes in the singular, feminine, Al-Jadidatu.
Yeah.
Yep, got that?
Yeah.
Ahiya laka, are they for you?
Sorry?
Then so ahiya here is referring again back to the books itself. The word here
Yeah.
is referring back to the books because the books are treated as singular feminine. So here means it. Are they or are you can't translate here as it in English, so you have to translate are they for you.
Okay.
I'll give you more practice. Don't worry. I'm going to do the exercises. Continue, Fazil.
أين دفاتركم يا إخوان? Where 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 are your notebooks?
Yep.
Oh, إخوان?
Oh, brothers.
Is إخوان a
It's,
name?
yeah. Akhwan, ikhwan is plural. Oh, brothers.
Okay. Where are your
Notebooks.
Yes, where are your notebooks, oh brothers?
Correct.
هي هنا على هذا المكتب. They are over there
No,
on
they are here. Huna means here.
they are here on
This
this
desk.
desk. On this desk. They
Excellent.
are here on this desk.
Excellent. Right. I'm going to ask Beanish to do this next exercise, please. So what's happening here? Mufrad means singular. Mufrad means singular. Jam means plural.
Okay.
Go ahead.
هذا طل- طالب جديد هو من أمريكا. This is a student.
Yeah, this is it. This is a new student.
Yeah, this is a new student. He is from America. هؤلاء طلاب جدد هم من أمريكا.
Excellent.
These are new students. They're from America.
Excellent.
هذا كتاب جديد هو من أمريكا. This is a new book.
It is from America.
It is from America.
So because the word kitabun is masculine, the singular is masculine. As you see, hada is used, not hadhi. So use it. Huwa, because there's no it in the Arabic language. So they use huwa or hiya in the meaning of it. So now kitab is masculine. So huwa min America. It is from
America.
America. Now look over here now.
هذه كتب جديدة هي من أمريكا. These books are new.
No, you always translate the adjective first. Old, new, beautiful. You translate that first, and then you bring the noun, which is describing. These are new.
Okay. These are new books. So would you say it is from, or they?
Yes, they are.
They are from America.
Correct. Even though we're using here is in Arabic, it's a singular, but when we translate, we'll use they because it doesn't make sense in English. So explain to me, in hada kitabun jadidun, hada is used, and the word jadidun is used, which is masculine, correct? It doesn't have a marbuta. But in the plural, we're changing hada to hadihi. Kitab is singular, kutubun is plural. Jadidun is masculine, adjective, meaning new. Jadidatun is new for female. Explain why. I've told you already, but I just want to get this understood thoroughly, clearly, and so that you don't forget it.
Is it because hada is obviously masculine and the rest of the sentences too, and then hadihi is feminine, and then jadidatun is feminine too?
Correct. And why is hadi coming? It's something related to kutubun. It's kutubun.
Plural?
It's plural, and it's for non-human beings.
Okay.
All plurals of non-human beings, they will come with the singular feminine of hada, which is hadihi.
Okay.
Does that make sense? What did I say?
Yeah. So it also says hadihi because the kutubun is plural, so that makes it hadihi.
Yeah, it's not ordinary plural. It's a non-living. Yeah, non-living.
Yeah.
So books are not living. So that's the reason why it's hadihi. And look at over the top. Haulai tulabun jududun. So even though tulabun is plural, why is it haulai coming here now?
Because that's a plural for, like, that means these, and it's a plural.
Why? Because the word haulai Now the word tullabun, is it human beings or non-human beings?
Human beings.
Exactly. So the plural of human beings will be treated like human beings, and the plural of hada is haulai. The plural of hada is haulai. So that's the reason why, because tulab is human beings, so we use the plural of hada, which is haulai, tulabun, and the adjective is not jadidun, but,
Judadun.
and what does judadun mean?
New.
Yes, and is a plural for jadidun. Excellent. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Now I'm going to ask Reja to come on the mic. Assalamu alaikum, Reja. Good to see you.
Walaikum salam.
So, Reja, what we need to do is that let's read with me. Hada baytun
Hada baytun.
means this is a house.
Yep.
And then hadihi buyutun, these are
Houses.
good girl. So I want you to do the same thing. Say this is a hada najmun, this is a star, and then add hadihi. Even though these are plural, hadihi is being used. So I need you to do 1 to 10. Read the English, Arabic, and translate as well, please.
Okay. Hada najmun. This is a star. Hadihi nujumun. These are stars. Hada darasun. This is
These are hada darsun, hadi durusun. This is a lesson, and these are lessons.
okay. Hadihi durusun. These are lessons. Hada kalamun. This is a pen. Hadihi aklamun. These are pens. Hada babun. This is a door. Hadihi abun. These are doors. Hada nahrun. This is a
Nahrun is a river.
okay.
Hada nahrun. This is a river.
This is a river. Hadihi anharun.
Correct.
These are rivers.
Excellent.
Hada jabalun. This is a mountain. Hadihi jibalun. These are mountains. Hada kalbun. This is a dog.
Yes, it's a dog.
Hadihi kilabun. These are dogs. Hada bahrun. This is
Bahrun is a ocean or a sea.
okay. This is a ocean. Hadihi biharun. These are oceans.
Excellent. Mashallah, very good. 9 and 10.
Hada kitabun. This is a book. Hadihi kutubun. These are books. Hada himarun. This is a donkey. Hadihi humurun. These are donkeys.
Now, excellent. You will see here now that all of these things, najmun, darsun, kalamun, babun, nahrun, jamalun, all of these words, are objects, and there are no human beings, all of them. So that's the reason why when we do the plurals, najumun, durusun, aklamun, we don't use the word ha'ulai. Ha'ulai, which means these, It's only used for human beings. But we use instead with the plurals of object. What do we use, everyone? Which word? Is it hada or haulai or hadihi when you do the plurals?
هذه.
Excellent. Hadihi we use. So hada himarun, this is a donkey. Hadihi humurun, these are donkeys. So even so, is this clear for everyone? Fazil, Rija, is that clear now? MashaAllah, you did very well.
Yes.
Fazil, is that clear for you as well?
Yes.
Right, I want you to finish off now, Fazil, from 1 to 6. Hada sarirun.
From 1 to 6.
Well, 11 to 16, sorry.
Oh, okay. هذا سرير. هذه سرر. سرر, I don't know what that is. Do I have to also translate it?
Yes, please.
But I don't know what sururun is.
Binish, can you help? Binish, what does...
I'm not entirely sure, but is it a bed?
Correct, it is bed.
Oh, thank you very much. I don't know how I could forget that. Okay. هذا دفتر. هذه دفاتر. This is a notebook.
Correct.
These are notebooks. هذا مكتب. هذه مكاتب. This is a desk. Those are desks. هذا فندق. هذه فنادق. فندق. I know صندوق, but I don't know فندق.
Binish, what does fundukun mean?
صندوق is box, but فندق, I don't know.
Sundukun is a box, that's correct. But fundukun is a place where we stay. What is it?
A hotel.
Correct.
This is a hotel. Those are hotels.
These are hotels.
Oh, these are hotels. Okay.
Correct.
هذه ساعة. How do I say it now?
This is a watch.
Oh,
هذه ساعة, this is a watch.
that was become هذه again.
Yeah, the reason why, because هذه, that's the reason why I was waiting for this to happen.
Because it's ساعة, that's why.
Yes, ahsantum. That's the reason why I was waiting for this to come, and then I was going to explain. Even though some of these are masculine, the singulars, and some of them are feminine, هذه ساعة. Sa'atun has a time marbut at the end.
That's why it's female.
Exactly. And even the plural will come with a singular feminine. So maybe هذه.
Oh, okay. هذه ساعات.
Excellent. Ahsantum. Continue.
So هذه ساعة. This is a watch.
Correct.
هذه ساعات.
These are
watches.
MashaAllah. Good boy.
هذه سيارة. هذه سيارات. This is a car. These are cars.
Good boy. And the next 17, 18, 19, I will ask Binish to do.
Okay. هذه طائرة.
Yep.
هذه طائرات. I'm not sure what it means.
Look at the picture. Airplane.
All right. This is an aeroplane. These are airplanes.
Correct.
ذلك نجم. That is a star.
Yep. And tilka.
Tilka. I'm not sure what star is.
Nujumun.
Nujumun. Those stars.
So remember that the dhalika is masculine for that, and the feminine of dhalika is
Tilka.
good girl. So tilka nujumun. And then tilka
سيارة.
sayaratun, correct?
Those cars.
Yep.
And would I say tilka or dhalika for
So
plural?
tilka sayaratun, that is a car, and then the plural will be tilka sayaratun. Those are
Tilka sayaratun. Those are cars.
correct. So in both cases, in the singular and the plural, we use tilka. Tilka sayaratun, tilka sayaratun. So tilka is because of the sayaratun is feminine and has a ta marbuta at the end, and we're pointing to something, as you know, when you point to something which is slightly further away, we don't use hada and hadihi. Is that correct?
Yeah.
What do we use?
Tilka and dhalika.
Good girl. Ahsanti, very good. So tilka sayaratun and tilka sayaratun. What you need to do, there are how many of you? There's 3 of you. So what I'm going to ask you to do 1 to 5, the next exercise, and then Rijal will be next after you, and then Fazil. So what you need to do is this. Hada is going to be used for either a human being, one human being, or a masculine object. Hadihi will be used for a female or a female
Object.
correct. And haulai will be only used for human beings.
Yeah.
Correct. Go ahead now.
Haulai rajulun.
No, this one here, rajulun. Is it plural or singular? Hada rajulun. Rajulun and rijalun. So you got 2 words next to each other. So you'll know which one's a plural and which one's a singular.
Is it singular?
Correct. So which one would we use?
Hada rajulun.
Hada rajulun. Excellent. This is
a man.
excellent. Next one. So think about it. Rijalun. What is it? Is it plural, singular, what?
It's plural.
So what do we need to use with the plural for human beings?
Hadihi.
Hadihi.
Oh no, haulai.
Excellent. Why is it haulai?
Because it's plural and it's a human.
Yeah, that's right. Correct.
Haulai rijalun.
Correct. Number 3.
Hada kalbun.
This is a.
This dog.
This is a dog. Hada kalbun. This is a dog.
This is a dog. And hadihi kilabun.
Correct. These are.
These are dogs.
Excellent. Next one.
I'm not sure what that word means.
Durusun is lessons. Darsun, durusun, plural.
Hadihi durusun.
Hadihi durusun, correct. Jazakallah, that was really good. Next one, Rija. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The word is mudarrisuna. The word mudarrisuna is the word for teachers, and it's plural. Not hada. It'll be the plural. What's the plural of? How do you say these? Hada is this. Hadihi is this for female. And what's the other one for these? The same word which Binish used when she said rijalun.
Haulai.
Girl, haulai.
Haulai mudarrisuna.
Haulai mudarrisuna. And the translation is?
These are teachers.
These are teachers. Excellent. Number 7.
Akhwati.
Akhawati, correct? So ukhtun, akhawatun is sisters, my sisters.
Okay.
So the same word which we used before, we use again.
هؤلاء أخواتي.
Haulai akhawati. Excellent. Number 8. These are
Yeah,
my sisters.
these are my sisters.
Next one.
أقلام.
What does aklamun mean? Kalamun, aklamun.
Hands.
Pens. Correct. So
هذا.
not hada is plural, so it has to be
Okay. هذه.
correct. Hadihi.
هذه أقلام.
Next one.
كتاب.
This is a book. How do you say that?
هذا كتاب.
Hada kitabun. Correct. And number 10.
سيارة.
Say, no, there's a ra after ra. There's a alif. Sayaratun.
سيارات.
What does that mean?
Cars.
Correct. So which one would you use now for that?
Is it هذه?
MashaAllah. Excellent. Very good, girl. Hadihi sayaratun. These are cars. Very good. Why did you use that?
Because it is not a living thing
MashaAllah.
and
MashaAllah.
it's feminine and it's plural.
Yes. Very good, girl. Very good, girl. Ahsanti. Now, Fazil, finish off the remaining, please. Fazil.
Yes. From
11. Sayaratun. So,
هذه سيارة. هذا حمار.
no. هذا correct. So, هذه سيارة. هذا حمار. Correct. Translate as well, Fazil, English.
Oh, okay. This is a car and this is a horse. Well, هؤلاء is
Only for human beings. Only for human beings. هؤلاء.
okay. هذه كتب.
Correct.
هذه حمر.
Correct.
هذا عين.
هذا أين. Correct.
هذه طبيبة.
هذه طبيبة. Correct.
and هذه طبيبات.
What does the word طبيبات mean?
Okay, so طبيبة is a female student.
Female doctor.
طبيبات
Doctor.
is
Doctor. Doctor.
Oh, doctor. Okay.
Yeah.
And طبيبات is female doctors.
And so, if it's female doctors, would we use then هذه or would we use something else?
Yeah, هؤلاء. Sorry.
Good boy. هؤلاء طبيبات. Good boy. Now, the next one I want you to do, Fazil, I want you to do 4 of them. So now, ذلك and tilka, these are two opposites of each other. And ذلك means for that for masculine, and tilka that for masculine, female, when there's a time marbuta at the end. And أولئك means those. أولئك
is for humans.
for human beings, correct. Now, let's start. And I want you to do 4, and I'll then please, this exercise, I need everyone, I'm not going to start the next lesson. I need everyone to send me this homework on a piece of paper, because this is so important. This comes in the Quran, it comes in Arabic text. Knowing this is really important. So I need everyone to master this, and I want everyone to write this homework out, please. Right. Fazil, go ahead now. Talibun.
Is it not from رجل? Oh, okay, طالب. Sorry. ذلك طالب.
Correct.
That is a student. تلك طلاب. No, sorry. هؤلاء طلاب.
It's not how like أولئك you have to use.
أولئك طلاب.
Translation.
And هذا نجم.
Correct.
تلك نجوم.
أحسنتم. تلك نجوم. Very good boy. Next one, Binish. 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Okay. Is it just like at the bottom area?
Yes, it is. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
So you're doing number Bintun.
Is it
That is a daughter.
is it ذلك
Dhalika is for
Bintun?
masculine. Dhalika is for masculine.
Oh, تلك بنت.
Tilka Bintun, correct? Ulaika.
أولئك بنات.
Ulaika Banatun, correct? Darajatun. Darajatun means bicycle.
Okay. ذلك دراجة.
Dhalika or Tilka?
Oh, تلك.
Why?
Because it's got a timer buta.
Correct.
تلك دراجة.
Correct.
And like
Tilka again.
تلك دراجة.
Daraja. After the jim, there's an alif. Tilka darajatun.
تلك دراجات.
Correct.
And ذلك سريري.
Dhalika sarirun.
Oh, سرير.
What does that mean?
That bed.
That is a bed.
That is a bed.
Correct?
And do I do?
Yes, finish the remaining up as well. Sorry, it's my mistake. After that, it's Raja's turn.
Oh,
Sorry, my
okay.
mistake. Raja, 10, 11, and 12.
Sururun.
Sururun means beds.
Okay. Is it
Correct?
tilka?
Tilka sururun.
Tilka sururun. These
Those-
are beds.
No, those are beds.
Those, okay. Those are beds. The jajatun.
Chicken. Sorry, hen.
And okay.
It's female, that's why. So the same one?
Okay. Tilka the jajatun.
That is a?
That is a hen.
Correct?
Mudarrasa.
No, mudarrisa
Mudarrisatun.
means a teacher, female teacher.
Tilka mudarrisatun.
Tilka mudarrisatun. Raja, what have you been doing, by the way? Mashallah, you're doing really well. Considering that, so honest, I'm serious. Have you been reading, revising? What have you been doing?
No, I haven't.
Haven't been. So you're just intelligent then. Alhamdulillah, that's really good.
Thank you.
Let's do 13 and 14 with you, and then I'll give someone else a chance.
Okay.
So here, risatun is plural for teachers.
Okay, so then it would be tilka.
No, plural, it's plural for human beings. So plural for human beings, we have to use that one there.
Ulaika.
Ulaika
Ulaika mudarrisatun.
risatun.
Mudarrisatun.
Correct. And number 14, hajun means one masculine, haji.
Okay.
That is a haji.
Is it
So with dhalika.
okay? I keep forgetting the options.
Yeah, that's one. Dhalika,
Zalika hajun.
dhalika hajun. And number 15, hujajun is the plural of hajun. So you have three. Dhalika.
Ulaika.
Yes, ulaika hujjaj.
Ulaika hujjajun.
Number 16,
Musjidun. masjidun. Is it
ذلك.
ذلك masjidun?
ذلك مسجد, correct. سيارات.
Sayyaratun. That's a car.
Yep.
So that would be
تلك.
tilka sayyaratun.
After the ra, there's alif. تلك سيارات.
Tilka sayyaratun.
Excellent, mashallah, very good. Good book, good girl. Can I request Fazil to come on the mic?
Yes.
Fazil, I want you to do box number 1 and box number 2. So hada and hadihi means this. Dhalika and tilka means that. And in these ones here, on the top ones, they are both for human beings. Underneath is for non-human beings. So you're going to do for the human beings. Explain the singular and the plural. Go ahead.
Okay. هذا طالب. This is a I think doctor.
Student.
Oh yeah,
This is a
this is
student.
هؤلاء طلاب. Those these are students. And هذه طالبة. And هؤلاء طالبات. And so the ones underneath are feminine, while the
Yep.
ones above are the masculine.
Correct.
But the هؤلاء in both of them does not change.
That's right, because both of them, طلاب and طالبات are females, and one is masculine plural, one is female plural, and they're human beings. So we use هؤلاء. And then the next one, ذلك.
ذلك طالب. That
Is a student.
that is a student.
Uh-huh.
أولئك طلاب. Those are students. تلك طالبة. The again feminine.
Yep.
And I can't see the okay. أولئك طالبات. أولئك طالبات. That is those are students but female.
Excellent. Thank you for that. Binish, can you do the next, please?
Yeah, what is it?
3 and 4, the box one. Now these are for non-human beings. So هذا بيت, هذه سيارة. One is female, one is male, the other one is female objects. And in the plural, of the masculine plural and the female plural, all of them, both of them have هذه. هذه بيوت, هذه سيارة. ذلك and tilka, one is masculine, one is female. But when we do the plural, in both of them, we use tilka. Go ahead.
Okay. So do I read them out and then translate them?
Read them out and translate them, correct.
Okay. هذا بيت. This is a house. هذه بيوت. These are houses. هذه سيارة. These are cars. هذه سيارات.
Yep.
These are cars. The first one is this is a car.
Correct.
And the other box too.
Yep.
Okay. ذلك بيت.
That is a house.
That is a house. تلك
سيارة. Sorry, my mistake. تلك بيوت, correct.
تلك بيوت. These houses.
So you translate it, those are. So these are houses, those are.
Those are houses.
Correct.
تلك سيارة. That is a car. تلك سيارات. Those are cars.
Right, excellent. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil faradam. So what I need everyone to do now is that I need everyone to write this exercise out, please. I need everyone to start from page number 50, 51, and 52. I need you to write this out. If you can send me a voice note as well, reading them. هذا رجل, هؤلاء رجال. If you could do that as well from your piece of paper which you wrote, that would be amazing because this lesson is a really, really important lesson. It's one of the most important lessons in book two. Any question from anyone? Did everyone understand this lesson now? Because I've done this lesson thrice now. So inshallah, I hope everyone understands this now. Yes, Fazil?
Yes, I just unmuted myself because I want to say yes.
Sorry?
I just unmuted myself because I wanted to say yes.
Brilliant. How about Binish and Rajal?
Yeah, I understand it.
Brilliant. So send
Yeah.
this, write this out in your own handwriting and send it across to me. And then inshallah, I'm going to try to do next week. Next week. What time do you, on Fridays? Or would Saturday be good for you next week, or Sunday is going to be good for you?
Yeah, Saturday is good for me.
Okay, so next week, yes, was it Vinish?
I'm not sure about Saturday because I have a madrasa class, but it depends on the time.
What time is your madrasa class on Sundays, Saturdays?
It's at 12:30 to 1:30, so it's quite early.
12:30. Okay, then what I'll do then? How about on Sundays? As everyone is Sundays, we have a day that if I cannot do two sessions on Sunday, that start say for example on Sunday 5 o'clock and finish about 7 o'clock. We'll have like a 10-15 minutes break between the two sessions. Is that possible?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, is that okay? Finish. That'll be easier for you. So we have a 2 hour slot on
That's fine.
on Sunday then, inshallah. So
Okay.
then, so what we'll do then is that we'll do lesson number 7 and lesson number 8 next lesson, inshallah. Okay.
Okay.
Jazakallah. Okay, Fazil, Faraj, please.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم كن لوليك حجة ابن الحسن صلواتك عليه وعلى آبائه في هذه الساعة وفي كل ساعة وليا وحافظا وقائدا وناصرا ودليلا وعينا حتى تسكنه أرضك طوعا وتمتعه فيها طويلا اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وعجل
Jazakallah.